All right, so we are going to be doing veneers on our patient. We're going to be doing 8 veneers. All right, she's got really, really pretty teeth. Bite down on your back teeth. And she didn't wear braces. You're very lucky. You know that, right? And she's very pretty. So I would like to do veneers from her bicuspid turn to the left, which is this tooth, all the way around to this tooth, because we want to build these teeth out so when she smiles, she has a fuller smile. The other thing I would like to do, because she'd like to have length to your teeth, correct? So we'd like to take a laser and remove some of this excess gum tissue so her teeth will appear longer. So we can move some of this excess tissue to make the teeth more symmetrical. The gum height here should be higher than the gum height here, and it's not. So her 2 front teeth need to have laser. The other thing we would do is minimal prep. We're going to build these teeth out, so we'll barely need to reduce any tooth structure whatsoever. Now I'm going to show you something as far as why she needs more than 4 teeth. Go ahead and slide your teeth to the right. Keep going. Okay, so when she slides, you notice she's still hitting here. So if we try to lengthen her front teeth without doing these, she will end up breaking it off. So let me show you how we correct it. Okay, so we're going to do a mock-up, and we're just going to add, this tooth really needs to be longer. This is what we call cuspid rise. This is her cuspid. And we're just going to pretend that we've done a veneer here and that we're going to add a little bit of material onto the tooth to make it look a little longer so that when she goes into that position, we're going to go ahead and cure it, that it's going to open up her front teeth. Open big, please. Now this will just come right off, what we just did. So I want you to slide, bite down, and slide to the right, slow. Slide all the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. Now, do you notice how much more space? Tilt your head back. She no longer hits here at all. Lower your. So by building this tooth, this is called cuspid rise. It allows space here so we have room to lengthen. That's why you are going to need to have these teeth included, and we don't want to stop here because that's all you see. We want to go back to your bicuspids, okay? And let me give you a mirror so you can see. Okay, so go ahead and slide to the right, all the way, keep going, keep, okay, now take a look. Can you see the difference?
Yeah,
so now you have room. Without it, you're just going to chip because we can't add length because you don't have room when you go into the excursions. These are super important.
Okay, yeah, then it would just mess up that if it chip.
Yeah, and that's why you have the chip.
Okay.
Because when you go to the right, you're hitting on those teeth. And people don't realize these eye teeth are what actually separates our teeth when we go into right and left excursions. Okay? Okay, go ahead and open for me. Now I'm just going to pop this off. So what are you thinking as far as how many teeth you'd like?
I mean, it makes sense what you said. I'm going to need more than the 4 front to protect the 4 from breaking.
Yes, exactly. And that's what a lot of people don't realize is that when you people go in to do veneers, that they don't take into consideration the function. Right. And so they might just do 4, and when you go into these excursions, you'll end up breaking them off. And the other thing is, like I said, your eye teeth are more prominent, so you need to go back so you can have a full smile. Now, are you going to want to change the color? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, wider.
Okay, so these are the shades we used to use. Look at this. Nobody has teeth these color. Well, we might have them this color, but nobody wants them this color. Here's the new shades. They're the bleach shade guides, and these are the ones that we use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the teeth colors, and we can go ahead and pick. So these are the colors that we used to pick from. Look at the difference.
Why?
Because as these are natural teeth colors, but they never made teeth this white. Everybody wants white teeth now. You can thank the Kardashians, young lady, right?
Yes.
You can thank them for a lot of things. Big hair, big eyebrows, eyelashes, and big butts. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the mirror. And let's look close. Your teeth are pretty white. They're lighter than this. This is actually darker than your teeth. I would probably go with one of these.
like the whitest one.
You like
The
BL1?
first one.
She likes BL1.
Yes.
That's pretty white. So here's the deal. Your lower teeth are not going to whiten out that
true.
much. If I were you, I would probably go with this one and then whiten your lower teeth.
Okay.
Because bite down for me and just relax and say, hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, you don't really show a lot of lower teeth when you smile. So with that said, you could probably get by with a lighter color. So you can probably get by with a lighter color.
Just whitening the bottom.
And we'll zoom the bottom, then you'll need to wear a night guard. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we'll go over that. So hopefully this will give you more of an insight of why we do the veneers we do. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Subscribe.